Our next word is ilung. Ilung is nose or nose. So this word begins with a vowel sound I. So we should add the alif there. Then we have the two consonants lam and nga. So lam is written like this and nga is like this. So that's how you write ilung. Then alif, lam and nga. Then let's write them from right to left. So first we have alif and its baris is E instead of I. So it should be below the vowel. Then lam, its baris is U. So it's tapan, lu, ilu. And lastly we have nga. And it has no baris. So it is baris patay. So that's how you write ilung. That's how you spell it. Alif hababa I, lam dapan lu, mono nga lung, ilung. How do we connect? Remember, alif is again one of the four letters that you cannot connect another letter to. So just it stands on its own. And then we add the lam and then the nga. Lam dapan lu and nga is baris patay. So that's how you write ilung in Sulat Sūg. Subscribe for more.